In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're new to using Adobe Acrobat or simply need a refresher, this video will guide you step by step through the process. Starting with your laptop or PC, find your way to the Start menu or search bar. This is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen if you're using a Windows operating system. On some systems, you might find it situated elsewhere, but generally, it's marked clearly with a familiar Windows icon or a magnifying glass for search. Take a moment to locate that now. Once you've clicked on the Start or Search bar, a new menu or field will expand for you to type in. Here is where you'll enter the words Adobe Acrobat. This initiates a search on your computer for any installed programs that match that name. You'll likely see Adobe Acrobat as one of the first options in the list. If you don't see it right away, try retyping or double-checking for any potential typos. Remember, it's important your spelling is correct. Even a small typing error might cause the program not to show up in your search results. Now that you can see Adobe Acrobat in your search results, you have a couple of options to proceed. You can either right-click on the Adobe Acrobat program or double-click it, depending on your preference. Right-clicking usually opens a context menu with several options including Open or possibly Create shortcut, which can be useful if you plan on using Adobe Acrobat often and want easier future access. Double-clicking, on the other hand, is the more direct approach to immediately launch the application. Once launched, be patient as the software loads. Depending on your computer's speed and whether Acrobat needs to update or verify its license, it might take a few moments. You're done when the Adobe Acrobat interface greets you with its welcoming screen, setting you up to start working with PDFs. And there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough to opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. For additional ease and future use, consider keeping Acrobat on your taskbar or creating a desktop shortcut to access it swiftly without going through the search process each time. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these simple steps, you'll be ready to handle PDF documents, viewing, editing, and more with Adobe Acrobat. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials.